Tesla announces big plans for cheaper iron-based batteries. Like, forget about that lithium stuff. It's too hard. Too pricey. Think about the low cost of iron comparatively. Reuters reported Tesla CEO Elon Musk is a big proponent of lithium iron phosphate, LFP. Vast majority of the heavy lifting for electrification will be iron-based cells. Russia. That's a totally unrelated image. Tesla currently uses nickel-based batteries, which allow vehicles such as the company's semi-electric trucks to go 500 miles on a single charge. Model 3, Model Y vehicles also use nickel-based batteries, which have a capacity of 75 kilowatt hours, as opposed to LFP batteries, which will be able to hold 53 kilowatt hours. Chinese suppliers dominate the LFP industry, and getting those suppliers to build factories in the U.S. could be a challenge given heightened political tensions between the U.S. and China. On Wednesday, Tesla released the Master Plan Part 3 on Wednesday. Uh-oh. What's the date of this article, Will? You got hacked again. You're getting hacked. April 9th, okay. Never mind.
Easy there, bud.
Well, Wednesday, Master Plan Part 3 on Wednesday? What, Wednesday of what?
I
this
guess
past Wednesday? Was it?
Last week.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. All right. Man, I don't know what's what anymore, Will.
You're playing God of War.
What year are we in? Remember the other iPhone.
My sources.
When I was younger, there were many colors of iPhones at Walmart. What's Walmart, Granddad? Before the AIs, before the time of the AIs, there were stores. And colorful phones from other years for $79. Shut up, Grandpa.
That's not nice.
Oh, baby. All right. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.